wanted to talk about making custom logos and designs, especially on t-shirts, but this could work for other things as well. I had this idea a while ago for doing designs. Me and some friends are starting a chocolate company, Harmony Chocolates, and it's pretty incredible stuff, but we'll just talk about the design now. So I'm using sticker paper. This is really cool stuff to have around. You can print out, of course, all kinds of custom labels for things, as well as templates that you can stick on wood, cut things out with a bandsaw, or stick it on metal or whatever and drill holes precisely. And it works really well for that kind of stuff. But I had an idea. I was like, hey, if I take this to the library where they have a CNC laser cutter, they can cut out templates. So I was able to cut out this Harmony Chocolate template and just peel the sticker off and stick it to your shirt. So I'm just using a box here to have a nice flat surface reference, get everything real square and adjust it before I stick it on, have some masking tape to help reference placement when I'm sticking it on so I don't get it crooked. And I'm going to be using this Tulip fabric spray paint, and they have this in a lot of different colors. It seems to work really well because it penetrates nicely into the fabric itself. You do about 3 coats, and it looks really great, and there's a lot of color options, a lot of things you can do with that. You could obviously use the same concept to do custom templates and stuff for other projects as well, but I really like the idea of just being able to do my own custom shirts or whatever else. And so this has worked really well. There's even the really fine details on the scrolling and all has worked really well. So we'll just show you how to do it. Nice and tight. Let that dry and put on another coat in a few minutes. Alright, so we'll just put on another light coat here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the project. I thought it was pretty great, and I love the results of this. These cans definitely work pretty well. I was only able to do about 4 to 5 t-shirts on one of these cans, and they are about $5. So I'm curious whether just normal like Rust-Oleum paint would do as well on fabric or not. I'm not sure, haven't tried that yet. And if you don't have a laser cutter, I've seen that at a lot of malls where they do custom keychains and things like that. They have laser cutters in some of those little shops. I imagine if you talk to them, they would be able to cut out your template for you if you don't have access easily to a laser CNC machine. So with that, have a great day, and I hope you have fun with whatever you end up doing.